In this video, we're going to fix Ghidra showing function names as .text instead of the correct name. So let's assume you have your correct me here and you load this in the code browser. And then you analyze it. And then you jump to the main function and look at it in the decompiler. You see that Ghidra sometimes uses .text instead of the proper function name. First, this occurs because the binary actually has multiple labels assigned to one and the same memory position. For example, when we search for the address of scanf, we find that scanf also has a label at the same position that says .text. This can be caused by the program being compiled via GCC and using the function sections option. This actually means that GCC will use an additional label .text indicating the section that the function is in. However, in Ghidra this causes the following problem, that Ghidra picks the wrong symbol. One way to fix this is when you load your program in the code browser, that you first go in the label section and then delete all the text labels. And after you've done that, then run the auto analysis. This way, Ghidra will not use the text labels anymore because they're not there anymore, and instead use the correct function labels.